Mr. Chair.
Ano ba, Rodriguez?
Yeah, kasi sa perspective ko, no, just to give my opinion about this, if I may, that's the very reason why I supported the Bohol Dex. BHOL Dex. Because they were targeting 13 municipalities na pwedeng magkaroon ng Panglao, similar to Panglao quality experience para lang bumawas na yung carrying capacity ng buong Panglao. They want to distribute because these are people from Panglao, the ones who they want to try to funnel out excess tourists from Panglao to save the province, to save our municipality and waters, para ma-distribute siya to 13 different locals of the entire Bohol Island. So, yes, whale watching. I've been doing that since I was a kid. We'll just get a bangka and we'll go towards Balikasag and we will just follow the dolphins and whales. I think that there's nothing wrong with that. Pero yung tipong we're going to feed them already, di ba? Yan talagang issue na, no? So, yung sa Libaong, mahirap. Basta sisirain natin yung environment. Ngayon, in terms of the 7 days permit for circumventing the that has to be discussed. Honestly, I have not considered or not given thought na will that 7 days impact. Kasi if I'm not mistaken, I've talked to a group years ago before I became a counselor kung pwede nga daw bawasan ng 1 day. Imbis na 7 days, 6 days na lang a week yung viewing. Just to give some kasi nakita nila the effect of the pandemic, which significantly improved Balikasag. And so parang they're saying maganda siguro kung merong break konti. Ganon. So anyway, yan lang yung 2 cents ko. But again, we don't know yet until we get those studies in. So I'm interested to see the results.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for that. You, Rodriguez. No? So again, in connection to the second agenda